Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shirgal, insurance broker. Today I'm going to just navigate. A lot of people ask me questions where to sign up and how to navigate the website uh, and the links to register for your education to become insurance broker in Ontario. So let's go. It's Insurance Brokers Association of Ontario. It's ibao.org. So when you go there, you see on the left hand side, right to IBAO, it's become a broker, and then you go there and you on the right hand you click on become a broker, and next screen comes up for level 1. So anybody who want to get into uh, general insurance field as an insurance broker have to start with the REBO level 1 license. So when you go down, and here's the roles of the brokers and also benefits. So the step 1 is to choose which kind of program you want to join to get your education. You can start with your weekday program, which is about 2 weeks, and second one is the weekend program. People who work full time, they cannot join full time for the classes, so they have a weekend program. But the weekday program provides the highest success rate. That's the one I choose many years ago. So online prep course for individuals who prefer studying at their own pace, or exam clinic for individuals who have taken the exam before, they want to practice more or learn more about it. So once you pick, let's say you pick the weekday program, and here's the dates. You will see that in the uh, go down here. Please note there will be no classes on October 11, and it's October 4 to October 14th, 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday. So for non-members is $870. So people who are new to this insurance field, so you guys are non-members unless you're working with the brokerage before. So $870, which includes your books. Uh, but if you want to do the weekday program, then weekend program, then you have to click here and see the different options. So it's from October 16 to October 31. It's starting from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday to Sunday, and fee is what $850 for non-members. And there's another, next one is November 20th to December 5. So this is how you can uh, book your program. Let's say when you go for a registration, you go register, and then you have to create your account, and then you sign up, like just like mine here. Then then you can choose this format and pay for your exam. And that's how you will go step by step. So this is IBAO, and here you can go back to find which program suits you best, and which uh, dates you want to join, weekends or weekday program, or online preparation on your own pace, or exam preparation. So you can do all by yourself. So ibao.org to remember the website. I think whoever is looking to get into insurance broker program, they will be very well know how to get into this system and register uh, yourself. So if you have any question, just give me a call at 416-831-0215, or you can email me jagtar@ableinsurance.com. insurance.ca. Thank you for watching. I hope you get some information and register yourself for your education and be successful in this field. Until next time, I'll say goodbye and God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video to people who are interested in this field of insurance, to become insurance brokers selling auto, home and commercial insurance and helping people and help yourself in this wonderful business. Thanks. Bye.